Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The structure contains AC is equal to O bonded to a nitrogen atom, making it an amide. Moving on to the next step. The nitrogen has two ethyl groups, CH to CH3, attached. In the given answer, one is called ethyl and one is called propyl. Wait, let us re-examine. The answer states N,3-diethyl, N-propyl pentanamide, meaning nitrogen has one ethyl group and one propyl group. Looking at the structure again, the nitrogen bears two substituents that appear as ethyl groups, CH to CH3, but the answer specifies one is propyl. One chain on N is CH to CH3, ethyl, and the other is CH to CH to CH3, propyl, which may be harder to distinguish visually, but the given answer confirms N-ethyl and N-propyl substitution. Moving on to the next step. Identify the parent chain for the acyl portion. The chain attached to the carbonyl goes C is equal to O CH2 CH at CH2 CH3. Counting carbons in the longest chain through the carbonyl, C1 carbonyl, C2 CH2, C3 CH with ethyl branch, C4 CH2, C5 CH3 is equal to pentanonic acid backbone pentanamide. And for the final step, identify the branch on the acyl chain. At C3 there is an ethyl group, CH to CH3, giving the locant 3-ethyl. Parent chain is equal to pentanamide, branch on chain is equal to 3-ethyl, substituents on N is equal to 1-ethyl, N-ethyl, and 1-propyl, N-propyl. Alphabetical order and locants, N, 3-diethyl, N-propyl pentanamide. The N,3-diethyl groups the N-ethyl and 3-ethyl together under diethyl with their respective locants, and N-propyl is listed separately. The prefix N,3-diethyl means there is an ethyl at N and an ethyl at C3. N-propyl means a propyl group on N. Pentanamide is the 5-carbon amide chain. This matches the drawn structure. Therefore, the correct answer is N,3-diethyl N-propyl pentanamide. The correct answer is shown on screen.